Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Thursday, July 29, 2021. So on Wednesday, the Fed will keep the interest rate the same. The earning report continue to dominate the market action. The broader market choppy up and down with a mixed earning report from several mega cap stocks. The software stock and semiconductor stock and healthcare stock were a biggest gainer. Tomorrow we will have to watch out with the unemployment, inflation, and consumer spending report. This will set the stage for the next move of the stock market. So as you look at the overall, the market is still in the uptrend at this moment, but we are in the sideways correction here. So when it hit the resistance here, they couldn't go higher. So you see that in the last couple of days, the market is going nowhere. It's just sideways correction here. So where they will go to. So if they cannot go higher, we're looking for some level of support at this level here or the upward trend line support there if they continue to going down. But the overall trend is still bullish until they show it. They give up this the upward trend line here, then that's where we start worry. And if you look at the Nasdaq, it's very similar. So the Nasdaq, they couldn't make it higher, and then they continue to put it down. So we have a trend line support here. So if they break this support, they can go down here. But as long as they stay up here, the market is still put into the uptrend. The Dow, it also do the same thing. They have been go sideways for the last 5 days. So let's see that they will be able to build up some momentum. They will break out, or they will continue to put it back down. You know, in the nature of market right now, we are at the all-time high. So the market will continue to put it back and pull back down, put it up, back down. As long as the momentum is still keep in the uptrend, we still stick with the uptrend. We continue to buy the dip. And look at the Russell 2000. It's a little bit choppy up and down in the rainbow formation here. So that's why if you own the small cap stock, and they have to be careful, you know, people buy here, sell here, they keep running back and forward until they get out of this area here, so they can give you the clear direction where they are heading to. Right now, if you look at the crude oil, it also have been pushed back up in the whole week. They have some resistance here. Let's see how far they can go up there, but the momentum is still in the uptrend. Gold, it also found a support here last week. They will show you. Now they can put it back up. Now they hit to the resistance. So if they cannot go up here, they will have to pull back down a little bit before they can get out of the trouble area here before they can go higher. And if you look at the Bitcoin, it's still running up since they found the bottom at the buy zone. They put it back up. Now at the level we have to watch out at the first level of resistance for the downtrend line here. It's the same thing for Ethereum. It still push it back to the upside right now. And if you look at the volatility index, so it's still in a low bound, but however we get into the level of support. Let's see tomorrow the market will if the wicket puts it back up, then the people will be a little bit more worried on the Delta variant. It may shut down the market again, so that can cause the market to stop going up and they can pull back down. So let's see how they lay out tomorrow so that we can tell. And the for the inflation, the interest rate is still in the downtrend, even though they may push it back up, but the overall trend is still down. So I'm not worried about the inflation at this moment yet. So tomorrow we have the inflation report, but they may put it up a little bit, but the trend is still down. So technically, we are not worried about the inflation here yet, even though the living cost is getting more expensive. So let's see how they lay out. And if you look at the all of the sector of the S&P 500, so we are very busy on the earnings. So we have a lot of mixed report, okay, between the mega cap stock. A lot of companies are now good earnings, but they give a future guidance a little bit negative, so people sell up after they push it back up. So some stock they'll be able to hold up, like Google, Apple, it still hold up well, but the Amazon after earning today, they mixed the earning, they dropped like a couple hundred points, so that definitely they will give some negative impact on S&P 500 tomorrow. Let's see if they're able to stop there and recover. Okay, now let's take a look on some of the sector of the S&P 500. So you can see that the material sector is still doing okay, as you can see here. Okay, and let me take a look here. So the XLB, some of the material is going up. So you can see that a couple of stocks in the steel sector is still doing well. Okay, so SLF. Okay, so this one is try to rumble and put it up to the upside. Okay, the XL yield is still pretty strong, as you can see that they try to put it up for the last couple of days. They go here, they hit some resistance, they pull back. And a couple of stocks in this sector that we mentioned earlier is still continue to put it to the upside, like CNB, DUK. So this one here is still put it up. And some of the old stocks that try to rebound, like Chevron, ExxonMobil, they still have some resistance here, but at least they recover after they found a support here and push it back up there. The XLP sector is still consumer stable. It's still up and down here, but the trend is still there. So you see a couple of stocks that we mentioned, like Procter & Gamble, they go up, they are still in the choppy at the resistance here. So let's see if they're able to get out here and continue. Coca-Cola, that's another one there, and Walmart is still hang tight, try to find a way to clear up that resistance there. The healthcare sector is still very strong, as you can see. The last week, a lot of healthcare stock is doing very well, especially a vaccine stock like Moderna still doing well, and Johnson Johnson, okay, still try to find a way to put it up again, and a couple of stocks like MRK, so they up and down, but they get stuck at the resistance here, so they back and forward here, trying to find a way to put it up also. And the retail sector, a lot of stock that we show you on Tuesday on the weekend is still doing well, like you see Lululemon, okay, and NKE is still very strong there. TGT, Target, they are all very strong in the retail sector there. So right now we have some bottom fishing stock. They have a potential on the reversal. So the first one I want to show you is the DHI. So this one here, after they pull back to the support, now they continue to put it up to the upside. Okay, SSW, which is Sherwin-Williams, with the home builder, more construction. So this one they try to build momentum and put it to the upside also. And another one is the 3D system. They look like they are bottom out. They still have a lot of work, but look like they stabilize here and try to find a way to go back up again. So beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 5 stocks every week, and I will analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you will enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button below, or any suggestion, please let me know on the comment. And thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. We will see you on the weekend video. Take care, stay safe and healthy, everyone.